Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am showing you my current fast, easy, everyday makeup routine. And I'm not usually one to have like a simple everyday makeup routine. I'm usually like all glam or nothing at all. But I'd say that the stage of life I'm in, which is being 8 months pregnant and a mom of a little toddler, has produced the need for a fast and easy everyday makeup routine. I've been doing this one for several months and it's just pretty foolproof, so I'm excited to share it with you today. So I went ahead and skipped primer just to save time, but I did not skip skincare, of course. So I have, all my skincare products on, and I went ahead and applied foundation with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I love this brush. It's so fast for applying foundation. And the foundation I'm using is actually a mixture of the Huda Beauty Faux Filter and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the dewy finish. I love both of these foundations individually, and I like them mixed, and I just mixed them to get the color that I needed to match my body, which was a little more tan than my face. Then you see me taking my beauty blender and just going over everything to make sure that it's smooth and there's no brush strokes. Then for concealer, I'm using the Morphe Fluidity Concealer and just applying that under my eyes and then in the center of my face. So my forehead, Cupid's bow, chin, nose, and then I also applied it on my eyelids to prime my eyelids and cancel out any redness or veins or anything that I might have going on. And then I just blended that in using the same beauty blender that I'd used to smooth out my foundation. For powder, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the translucent color. It's a really nice powder. I don't know if I'm living for it. I don't know if I'll repurchase it. I've just been using it in my personal makeup, but it does the job. And I went over the eyelids as well after making sure there was no creases. And then I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze. And this brush that I'm using for bronzer / contour is from Shop Missy, and it's a $1 brush, and I can't live without it. It's just amazing for contour. So I'll have it along with the other products linked below for you to make it easy to find. But I just quickly went ahead and bronzed my forehead, chiseled out my cheekbones a little bit. I did under my jawline because being 8 months pregnant, I definitely needed some contour there. Brought some down the neck a little bit, and then I just pinched the brush and ran it along the sides of my nose to really quickly contour it, as well as under the tip. And then this trick I learned from my friend Ali Laree. It's such a time saver just to take that same brush and just run some bronzer through the crease of your eye. Like, no need to grab a eyeshadow blending brush and take the extra time with that. Look how quick and easy that was. And I dipped in twice just to build the pigment a little more, but I love doing that, and that is literally all I'm doing for the eyeshadow on my upper lid. The brow pencil I've been using is also from Shop Missy. It's a $1 eyebrow pencil, and it's a definer pencil, so it has that triangle shape, and it just makes it really fast and easy to do an everyday brow, and I enjoy the result I get from it. It's literally $1, so this is just my go-to in my personal makeup routine. Next, I'm dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I just mixed red ochre and cypress umber to create just kind of a nice mid-tone brown, and I ran that under my lower lash line. And then I took the color Vermeer as my inner corner highlight as well as my nose highlight. And for that lower lash line, you could use the bronzer, but I just feel like I need something a little bit deeper than just the bronzer, just to give a little more definition to my eyes. So that's why I prefer to go in with like a mid-tone brown eyeshadow. And I'm just throwing on some mascara. I'm going to be doing lashes, so this is just to prep my lashes for them. And you see that I'm running mascara over the tops of my lashes as well, because I'm actually going to be applying the lashes under my natural lashes. You'll see what I mean here in a minute. Then using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, one of my favorite highlighters of all time, and it's so perfect for every day because it just gives such a subtle, angelic, lit from within glow. I'm just applying that on my cheekbones and then what's left on my Cupid's bow and chin. And then going in with the world's best blush, in my opinion, the Milani Luminoso blush. So beautiful paired with that highlight. And I'm just applying that to my cheeks. And I even brought it a little bit under the eye and like onto the nose just to make it look a little more natural, as well as on my forehead, what was left on the brush, and then on my chin I was just using what was left on the bronzer brush just to kind of bring a little bit of color there. So for the lashes, you see that I'm applying the glue on the front part of the lash band because we're going to be applying them underneath my natural lashes. And I totally, this is like, should be illegal or something, but I apply just the tiniest bit on my lashes, on the inner and outer corner, just to really make sure that they're gonna stay. Try that, you know, at your own risk. Try at your own risk if you do that. I haven't had any issues with it. I do use the Bee-Lashed glue, which is just like a really gentle, non-toxic glue that I'm not worried about if it even did get a little bit in my eye. So anyways, I'm using the style Gabriella from Bee-Lashed by Brie Calloway, and you see that I'm just looking down into a mirror and then using a lash applicator to apply the lashes underneath my natural lashes, and then I'm just kind of pinching them into place. It's so easy to apply them this way. Here I'm just giving them a little bit of a curl too. And the reason why I sometimes like to apply my lashes like this these days is because it just looks so natural. Like it just kind of looks like you have like lash extensions or really nice mascara. So it's just a great option to switch up now and then. And then if I'm just staying at home and going to be kissing my little girl a lot, then I just will throw on a lip balm. But if I do want to amp it up a little bit, then I'll do a quick lip. So here I'm using the Morphe Frenchie lip liner, just lining the lips and filling them in a little bit. And then I'm using the Maybelline Baddest Beige lipstick. It's a really nice peachy nude with a glossy finish. And here is the finished look. It's so fast and easy. And I hope that this was helpful for you guys and that you enjoyed it. I really appreciate you watching my video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks.